In this video, we're going to talk about font color and text highlighting. So we're again talking under the category of formatting, but we're looking under the home button up here, and we're talking about these options over here to the right of where we were just talking about our different styles of fonts. So we're going to do an activity here below again to test our skills, and we're going to get you guys to change the color of these different words to the color that it suggests. So the first one says to change the color to blue. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to head up to this little A option for font color. I'm going to change that to blue. Now you can choose whatever blue you want. I'm going to go with this nice turquoise blue, and you can see that font has now changed to blue. And I'm going to repeat the same process for the ones below. Now I want an orange and a green. Go with that one, and we're going to finish with a red. So you can see it's very quick and easy to change the fonts of your colors. And the next activity we're going to do is looking at the highlight option. I'll put a bit of a tongue twister in here for you. Which switch the Swiss wrist watches? That's a mouthful. So if you can say that off by heart, good on to you. But what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the word starting with the letter W. So any word that starts with W, I'm going to highlight that word using my highlight tool. So when I hit the highlight, you can see I've got a whole array of options for highlighting. Generally probably going to stick to the ones up the top, but if you want a bit of variety, you can head down to the ones in the bottom. So I'm going to highlight that one yellow because it starts with W. Going to continue on, and because I've used yellow last, it's already there. So I can just hit that button and it's going to change it to yellow. But if I wanted to change it up and highlight a different word, different color, I might choose a blue this time. Okay, that one doesn't start with W. That was a bit of a fail. Let's go with wristwatches. Got a bit carried away there, and I'm going to change that one to blue because that was the most recent one. So I've got which, and wristwatches all starting with W. So there you go. That is how to use the font color and text highlight in Microsoft OneNote for Mac.